Guinness World Record for the fastest time to make 3 chapatis.
I will be cooking for the longest cooking marathon by individual to break the Guinness World Record.
Kenya, I'm going to attempt to break the Guinness World Record for the fastest time to make 3 chapatis. The current world record time to beat is 3 minutes and 14 seconds, set by a chef in Pakistan 11 years ago. Now I've been practicing for weeks to bring that world record back to Kenya. Like a lot.
Ah, this is really hot, don't need.
Oh, now.
No.
So I'll be having the official Guinness World Record attempt at the Waterfront Karen Mall on Sunday the 19th of November.
2,000 years later.
Just preheating the pan right now, it has to be hot. This is the dough already ready. And I'm about to make my world record attempt, my first one. The original world record holder had to do it 12 times. So we might be here for a while, boys. Okay. Alright guys, I'm just gonna practice with one, okay? Let's not judge. So you have to get your hands you have to put flour on your hand so it doesn't stick. Okay? That's about how big it has to be. Time is off.
That might count, bro.
Oh, last rule actually, I forgot to tell you guys. It has to be 15 centimeters in diameter minimum. So we're gonna have to measure this. There's a little ruler somewhere. Who can help me find that rule? Yeah, it has to be 15 centimeters, so I'm not gonna make them big. That's a waste of time, okay? I'm gonna try and make them as small as possible. As close to 15 centimeters in diameter, okay? 15 centimeters is like that wide, from there to there. Okay. Okay? Guys, this is a very quick world record, so I'm trying to I have to use every advantage I can, okay? So, what you see me doing here is weeks of practice, okay? This is a technique that me and Panuel have perfected, and I'm gonna try and do today. So chapatis as close to 15 centimeters as possible, that's the world record requirement, and also try and make them at the same time, okay? I can't really make one by one.
Andu champ.
Hey.
Let's go, man. Andu champ. Let's go!
All of them have to be gold with round balls. Paying attention. Okay, and then also they have to be 15 centimeters in diameter. Okay, there. They have to be that big. Okay. Shall we review this chapati?
Yes.
Okay. Come on, Raymond. Okay. Now I need the witnesses. Golden brown spots. Very nice. Okay, measure that. How many is that? 15.5. Okay, last one. Golden brown spots. Okay, let's measure this. 16 centimeters. Guys, are these beautiful or no? Okay, now, could I please have the witnesses taste these chapatis and make sure that they are ready? Okay?
Chapatis.
One more time, our witnesses
Chapati.
are. Okay, Betty and Isaac, you may please taste the chapati. Hey, this guy, man. Where did you get this judge? I just went up. Oh, hire me for cooking gigs. Okay, Isaac, you're delaying and you're eating all our chapatis. What is that? What's the one I'm looking for?
Verdict.
What's a verdict? What's your man, Julio? 3 minutes, 10 seconds. That's my best time. Okay? 3 minutes, 10 seconds. The chapatis are ready. Okay? Golden brown spots. I will now submit this to the Guinness World Records for.
I met a lot of new people, and so many of you are asking if Raymond is my brother. Yes, he's my brother. If this video gets to more than 200 likes, sure, be ready to see him again.
Subscribe to the little karaoke.
Subscribe to Karaoke Derivatives channel.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming. Guys, like and subscribe.
Okay, we are even.
Yeah,
Caribbean side.
Abu, you ask this one.
Ama ini awak cuy.
I know. Hey, but it's giving.
Sao? Sao?
Hey, Meja. Ungguaro. God. After being lost for like an hour, that's when I decided to take a motorbike to the location. I was happy with how the chef was happy and fighting and patient with the process with the hours. I mean, 150 hours. We made the Katalati city manager. The crowd was vibrant and nice and cheering the chef. Yeah, that's Boogie and Eugene. You can follow them on their channels. Yeah, we danced. We danced a lot. There were professional dancers guiding us, so we danced. It was a nice time. It was a good time. The time we were waiting for was finally here. After the performances we received, we came together, we came close to chef, and the countdown was at 3, 2, 1 and 0, and finally